All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here at Forest at Chasewood Apartment Homes. That's my mom. So, this is actually an apartment complex that I used to stay in. When I first moved up here to Charlotte, North Carolina, this is actually where your boy used to stay. So, we're going to see if things have changed or they done dropped in the quality. I actually enjoyed staying over here. So we're gonna go in here, check it out, and let's see what they have to offer. So you guys can kind of already see if you want to schedule your own tour, you can. Washer and dryer is included. I believe that you guys are in for a treat today. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that out there. I believe that you guys are gonna be in for a treat. Let's get it.
Company that did that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So our beautiful grilling station.
Okay, I don't remember the grilling station being here, so that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You guys see the Amazon locker box over there? 2-car wash bays.
Oh.
And centralized mail.
All right, so that's new because this definitely wasn't here. Cause we actually used to stay in this building right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's definitely new. The car washing and vacuum station is definitely new.
Yep, and our fitness center is down that way.
And you have a fitness center now?
24/7, yep.
Nice.
In that little Pizza Hut looking building.
Okay.
Yeah. What's bringing you to Charlotte? So this home is available now.
Oh, okay.
So if you did need something a little sooner,
Okay.
we have this option here for you.
All right.
Okay, so this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath.
Okay.
Washer and dryer right here.
All right. Nice. Okay, wash and dry. Someone come in. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Got the open floor plan, which I can definitely appreciate. What's the other square footage?
This one is gonna be 617 square feet.
Okay, 617 square feet. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Love the fact that this is nice and open. Yeah, with little
Pets.
bar stools. No, sir. No, I don't care. No fur babies. No fur baby.
Yeah, how you have your room right there.
Okay.
That's a utility closet.
Right. Oh yeah, this is a nice size. Yeah. And what's the going rate for this one?
The going price on this whole period is $10.98 right now.
Okay, 1098, pretty good price.
Then
Oh, nice. That light cuts on automatically. Just this. Okay,
one of our great features we have here.
I like that. I like that. That's nice. Nice little touch. Like, wait a minute, I didn't touch anything. Okay. Feel a little feel for is the roof. All right, get a little feel for a pretty spacious room. Got a nice big window over here, and we'll go in. Bathroom, shower tub combo. Okay. All right. That's the place to throw some towels. All right. Some towels and stuff in there. Okay. You're back into the living room. Okay. Purpose that. Oh, in fact, got like a little nook right here. And I can definitely appreciate the carpet. Definitely a carpet friendly type of guy myself.
Yep, that's because this is a second floor home.
Okay.
It's just one below you. We put carpet right here.
Oh, okay.
If you're on the first floor, this will be solid surface throughout.
Nice. Okay. Okay. All right. And quick question. Is this the cheapest 1-bedroom that you have?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And it's you said 1098
Yeah.
and 678.
Square footage?
Yeah.
We go check that. That is going to be 617.
617. Okay, 670. Okay, cool. Perfect.
every now and then we get a studio apartment of about 400 square feet.
Okay.
That last price was $859 all in.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That one did get a lot of action.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I can see why. Yeah.
Yep, yep. But we only have one in the work that day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I'm not surprised.
this is nice. This is a like I said, a couple hundred square foot larger, so you really feel that expansive space.
Yeah. Absolutely. Little dining room.
Very nice. So great location here. You're right near shopping, dining, whole transportation's right out front.
Mm-hmm. Independence, yeah, Independence is right there. So Independence comes with everything. That's beautiful. Yeah. All right. Okay. Cool. Cool. So there aren't any trash fees or anything.
There is a $42 add-on.
$42 add-on.
That'll cover your trash, pest control, and literally all that stuff.
Okay. Cool.
So cool. Bundles up as $42. That'll also come over in your quote.
Okay.
All right. I'll just get your information when we get back. Man, so yeah, see that little Pizza Hut building over there? That's the fitness center.
Okay. All right. Is it possible to go check it out or okay? A little dog park over there. Ah.
So 24/7 access for you.
Okay.
See if you could share.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Yep, that right there is gonna cover everything that you need right here. Got the free weights over here. Yes, sir. And then when you're ready to get that cardio in, yes. Faders for last. Yeah, and a rowing machine, that part, right. Yeah. Yeah, no, I can feel it. We can feel this. And you also got some water. Yeah. Nice. This is beautiful, man. Yeah, got a little.
Furbies coming around.
Yeah.
Let the steam out. They made an apartment.
Let them go out there and just play around. That's a nice little workout here. Let me zoom in on there right there. Yeah, that'll be the workout. All right, y'all. So before I get into yapping and everything else, so we just visited the 1-bedroom, 1-bath. They do have studios here, but as you guys heard, they go really, really quickly. Less than $1,000, somewhere around 400 square feet. They do have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths here, which is one of the ones that I stayed in. And yeah, so what do you guys think about what we've seen today? You got a pool. You have a smaller fitness center, but a fitness center that gets the job done. This is a very, very quiet neighborhood, y'all. Like, even when we first moved here, even when I first moved here, it was a quiet neighborhood. And, I stayed here with a bunch of football players. But outside of, getting our workouts in, doing our tour days and stuff like that, nothing. You know what I mean? We would come out the house for a few seconds, maybe hit the pool, but go back in because we were so exhausted from workouts. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think, man? I'm gonna say less than $1,100 for a 1-bedroom neighborhood. Checks off all the boxes, everything that you need, including some storage or whatever. You're good. I got to give it a stamp of approval because I might be a little biased. I'm not gonna lie, I might be a little biased. All right, but y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now, before we get into everything else, I just want to go ahead and point out that is where your boy used to stay. My very first apartment. I was up there, and that was my room. I actually had a room to myself. There were 4 guys in the apartment complex, but I was actually one of those guys that listen, I'm not about to sleep in the bedroom with another guy. Like, you can take the living room, my boy. And it wasn't even me being mean. I was just saying, listen, there's a certain way that I like to sleep that I'm not going to say on camera, but nobody is sleeping in the room with me. Then I also had a girlfriend. And the guy was cool. He was like, listen, I don't have a girl. I don't mind sleeping in the living room. I'm not even going to be here for the entire time. So he actually ended up leaving anyway. So, it was nothing crazy. We're going to walk around this neighborhood a little bit because I kind of want to chop it up with you guys. So again, that's where your boy used to stay. Man, great times over in this area. You got the car care center right here. Again, man, I believe this is a nice neighborhood. Again, this is the middle of the day, y'all. As you can see, it's 2 o'clock, but you come here, it don't matter. 10 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 5. If not a lot of people out here, it's not a lot of the yelling and screaming, kids running around with diapers off or whatever. Just nice, chill, laid back. Now, this is not luxury. All right. This is not luxury. This is back in the cut. If you're trying to stack your chips and you want a decent place to stay, then again, this is definitely where you want to be. As far as I can remember, the staff was pretty nice. They were pretty cool. But yeah, this is laid back area. Y'all, when I got dropped off here, I felt some type of way, right? Because my mom dropped me off. My dad came a little bit later on to bring me another bed because I actually had 2 beds in my room. Don't judge me. But when my mom dropped me off, I felt betrayed. I was just like, wait a minute, you're just gonna leave your child here by himself? This is the first time that I was away from home, and I grew up in a family of 6, and I'm just like, you have never did anything like you just gonna drive like I was like that. I was heartbroken. Moms drove off again. This is I'm still a teenager. What is it, like 18, 19, something like that? Still a teenager. So, I was a little bit in my feelings, man. A big baby, big time football player. I was a starter, free safety over guys that had played over in Florida and everything, man. I end up beating all those guys for the starting spot. But something that broke me. I mean, again, we've been out there knocking people's heads off, 200-300 pounds, fully muscle, all of that. Tough guy. But when my mom, did everything that she did, made sure I had everything that I needed as far as food, clothes, school material, all of that was taken care of, man. I still feel, I was just like, I cannot believe this woman just left me like this. But it was hard for her too, man. Like you can see it in her eye, but it was more of a proud moment. You know what I mean? Just knowing everything that we had went through, everything that I had been through or whatever, to still be able to make it, go to college, and you know uh, start this course of doing something that's going to benefit me a little bit later on, man. Love her to life. Absolutely love my mom, man. Dope. And then my dad ended up coming, I don't even think it was a week later, like maybe a day or two later, and brought like a mattress and a bed up the stairs or whatever. It's like, I'm good, bro. But I appreciate it. Thanks, Pops. I appreciate it. And then he comes in with the silk. See, listen, we having fun today. So he comes in with the silk and he broke it down like, listen, all right, listen, you are no longer in your mom's house anymore, son. Okay? And trust and believe your woman, my girl at the time, she was in college as well, but she was in Anderson University. So we were, a little far apart. Anyway, he was like, she's gonna appreciate it. All right. When she get her hair done and stuff like this, she'll appreciate the silk. You don't understand it, but she'll appreciate it. And long story short, she definitely appreciated it. Shout out to my pops, man. Shout out to my parents. I absolutely love and adore, man. But yeah, no, that was just a little quick story time while we walk around this apartment complex because again, I haven't been here in a while. And I'm one of those people that I love to soak up and enjoy the moment. And this was just one of those times. Y'all just got the opportunity just to hear me kind of like spill it on camera, right? But man, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. But I do want y'all to drop it down in the comments. What do you guys think about this apartment complex? Again, as you guys can see, it's chill. Independence Boulevard is not too far from here. You have so many places where you can dine in, restaurants. You have supermarkets all over the place, other apartment complexes. You have a park right down the street where you can go out there, play baseball, football. Again, right down the street, y'all. This is what I would say like prime real estate, prime location, and it's nice, chill, and laid back. But y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. All right. Until the next time, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.